Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into everyday essentials to help you make informed choices. Today, we're putting the spotlight on what many consider the best in its class, the Linbsunne ballpoint pens. These pens are crafted for those who appreciate quality in their writing instruments. Let's start with the build and design. The Linbsunne pens feature a sleek, ergonomic design with a super soft non-slip grip. This ensures comfort during prolonged use, whether you're jotting down notes in a meeting or signing documents. Moving on to performance, these pens boast a reliable 1.0 mm medium point that delivers smooth, consistent lines. The quick-drying black ink is perfect for busy professionals, preventing smudges and ensuring your notes stay pristine. Durability is key, and these pens don't disappoint. Each pen comes equipped with a durable metal sliver clip, allowing you to securely attach it to your pocket or notebook, a feature that's both practical and convenient. Ideal for a variety of uses, from office tasks to personal writing needs, the Linbsunne ballpoint pens cater to both adults and students alike. Their versatility makes them a staple in any writing arsenal. Now, let's briefly compare them to similar options on the market. While other pens may offer similar features, the Linbsunne stands out for its balance of affordability and performance. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a reliable, everyday ballpoint pen that combines comfort, performance, and durability, look no further than the Linbsunne ballpoint pens. With their ergonomic design, smooth ink flow, and practical clip, they're truly a standout choice. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.